podcast on being healthy and compassionate. This podcast series is completely dedicated on how to keep yourself physically and mentally fit during coronavirus pandemic. Ram Anand Sagar's popular TV series Ramayan is the most watched Hindi serial in India as people are staying indoors amid a nationwide lockdown to combat the novel coronavirus pandemic. The mythological epic was first aired in the 1980s on DD National. However, on March 29 of 2020, it recorded 51 million viewers, which is the highest since 2015 in the general entertainment channel space. And this news is coming from the preliminary audience estimates. Well, a report by Hindustan Times also claims that DD National has registered nearly 40,000% jump in viewership. What a blast! Ramayan was originally shot in low band using Digibeta tools, which has now become obsolete for over 15-20 years, and now is the age of all digital and advanced chip-based formats. An official from the team said, and I quote, "We have retrieved the content for 50 episodes and are working on the rest of the content now. The changes will not affect the experience of the viewers as the serial will retain its essence. The music, the frames, everything remains the same," he said. Now, in April of 2020, Ramayan has also become India's most searched term in the entertainment category, according to SEM Rush, which is an online visibility management platform. Another fact about Ramayan, which I came across an article in the scroll, is that in early 1987, a BJP conclave was organized and the leaders were scheduled to meet on a Sunday morning in Ahmedabad. But the party leaders were surprised to find that the chosen venue was empty. They discovered that the scheduled time conflicted with the Ramayan broadcast. It was then that the party leaders realized there was an opportunity here that they could pursue. Now let's come back to 2020. In the very first week of reruns, Ramayan episodes got 42.6 million tune-ins and garnered 6.9 billion viewing minutes on average. And this information is coming from Nielsen and the Broadcast Ordinary Research Council, which we popularly know as BARC. DD National also became the highest watched channel in India for the week ended April 3rd. Since then, Doordarshan's leadership position among Hindi general entertainment channels, which is GECs, which account for a lion's share of TV viewership in India, has continued unabated. An article in the print said, and I quote, "Many of us scoff at badly produced and poorly scripted shows like Sasural, Simarka and Nagin, mostly watched by the elders of families. While we secretly laugh at the memes looming their scripts and characters, here is a chance to sit back and witness firsthand a show whose impact on Indian culture, imagination, and politics can't be weighed in numbers or described in words. The arrows will take a little too long to reach the targets. The VFX might make us cry. And yes, Ram will take 5 days to meet Sita for Swayamvar. Every now and then it will break into elaborate songs that will never end. But sit back and enjoy. See the excitement in a parent's eyes as they look for their childhood memories attached with the show, and the inexplicable joy the image of Ram on TV brings to your grandma's face. Every word here is so true and relatable, isn't it? Now, in addition to watching Ramayan on TV, you can also watch the show on an app called Newsnoir, NEWSONAIR. This app is easily available on Android and Play Store. As of now, Game of Thrones holds the most viewership title. Well, we never know. With the lockdown extensions in India and Indians' love for the television, Ramayan may just shoot up the list of most viewership. But till the lockdown is lifted, enjoy the most celebrated mythological series of India, the Ramayan. Thank you for tuning into this episode, guys. If you want more of it, please subscribe to my channel on iTunes, Spotify, Gaana.com, or any other podcast platforms that you know. For more queries, please send an email at beingheco@gmail.com. Please note that the content telecasted on this channel has been gathered from various sources on the internet. I am not an expert in the health domain, but only aims at spreading positivity.